If tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, find the values of a and b. Now we'll see. We'll start from tan a plus b is equal to root 3. So what is the value of tan root 3? You just check. Tan root 3 belongs to tan 60 degree. Tan root 3 belongs to tan 60 degree. So what I can write? Tan a plus b is equal to tan 60 degree. Therefore, leaving tan, I will get a equation a plus b is equal to 60. Now this is first. Now we will see the second. What he has given you? Tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. So we'll check which angle is 1 by root 3. So tan 1 by root 3 belongs to 30 degree. Therefore what I can write? Tan a minus b is equal to tan 30 degree. Therefore what I will get? I will get a minus b is equal to 30 degree. So you take equation number 1, equation number 2 and use simultaneous equation procedure. What is that? This is second part of the sum. A plus b is equal to 60. A minus b is equal to 30. You can notice plus b minus b can be cancelled. So a plus a, 2a. 60 plus 30, 90. Shift 2 to the right hand side. So a is equal to 90 by 2. 2 1s are 245s are. So a is equal to 45 degree. Okay. So now what you should do? Substitute 45 degree in any one of the equation. I will take first equation. A plus b is equal to 60 degree. Substitute this 45 in place of a. Substitute here. So 45 degree plus b is equal to 60 degree. So b is equal to 60 minus 45. B is equal to 60 minus 45 is 15 degree. So I got the value of b as 15 degree. Choose the correct option and justify your answers. 1 minus tan square 45 degree by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. The options are tan 90, option B is 1, option C is sin 45, option D is 0. Let us see. 1 minus. What is the value of tan 45? You have to remember this table. Tan 45 is 1. If you remember the table, it will become easy. 1 square by 1 plus 1 square. Tan square 45, tan square 45. So 1 square. So 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 by 2. Anything divided by 0 divided by any number is 0. So therefore option D. Option D is correct. Option D. So the answer is option D. Now second, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to dash. That means he has given you 4 options. A 0 degree, B 30 degree, C 45 degree, D 60 degree. We'll start with 0. So now we will see what is left hand side. Sin 2a. What is on right hand side? 2 sin a. Okay. So sin 2a. Sin. This is left hand side. First I'll solve left hand side. Sin 2. What is the angle I am taking? 0 degree. So 2 into 0. What is the value of sin 0 degree? You should know sin 0 degree is 0. Therefore, the value will become 0. Now we will see right hand side. RHS. RHS is 2 sin A. I have taken 2 sin 0 degree. 2 sin 0 degree is nothing but 0 because the value of 0 degree is 0. So therefore it is clear that when LHS is equal to RHS, the value of A must be 0. So therefore option A is correct. Option A is correct. The value of A is 0 degree. One more sum. 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. The option is cos 60, sin 60, tan 60, sin 30. Now to solve this you have to remember tan 30 value. What is tan 30 value? Tan 30 value is 1 by root. You can see tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square. Okay, 2 ones are 2. Now simple arithmetic calculations. 1 minus 1 square is 1. Root 3 the whole square will become 3. So 2 by root 3 divided by, take the LCM. 3 will be the LCM. Cross multiply. 1 3s are 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. Shift the denominator to the numerator. What you will get? 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. What you are getting? 3 by 2. Okay. So now this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So what is the answer? 3 by root 3. Rationalize the denominator. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. So you will get 3 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 will become root 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Root 3 into root 3 is root 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Therefore 3 and 3 will get cancelled. You will get root 3 is the answer. Root 3 is the answer. Now if you remember the table, you can see cot 30 is also root 3. Tan 60 is also root 3. But in the option, cot 30 is not given. But tan 60 is given. So therefore option C, tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree. The next main, state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answers. So first question is sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. To verify this, what we will do? First, we will take an angle. Let A is equal to 30 degree and B is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Now we will take the question. Sin A plus B. First we will solve LHS. So that means what? Sin A is 30 degree, B is 60 degree. Then this will become sin 90 degree. So what is the value of sin 90 degree? You should remember this table I told you. Sin 90 is 1. So the answer is 1. So I got this. Now we will see right hand side. Right hand side. Sin A plus sin B. That means what? Sin 30 degree plus sin 60 degree. What is sin 30 degree? Again you have to remember. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus sin 60 is root 3 by 2. We know that LCM is same. If you add the numerator, you will get 1 plus root 3. So now if you see, LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, statement is false. Therefore, statement is false. The next question is, the value of sin theta increases as theta increase. Okay, we will check that. Now, Sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 90 degree. You can notice the angle is increasing, theta is increasing. Sine 0 value is 0, sine 30 value is 1 by 2, sine 45 value is 1 by root 2, sine 60 value is root 3 by 2, sine 90 value is 1. So from 0 to 1 it is increasing. Therefore the statement is true. Therefore the statement is true. The next is the value of cos theta increases as theta increase. Let us check. From cos 0 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 45 degree, cos 60 degree, cos 90 degree. They are all standard angles. Cos 0 degree is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 90 is 0. Now you can see cos theta is decreasing as theta increases. Cos theta is decreasing as theta is increasing. As the angle is increasing, the value is decreasing. Therefore, the statement is false. Therefore, the statement is false. The next is sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. We will check the table. You should remember the table. Just I am showing you the table. If you notice, cos 0 and sin 0 is different. Cos 30 and sin 30 is different. Cos 45 is same. Cos 60 is different and cos 90 is also different. So therefore what you can say, sin theta is equal to cos theta only when the angle theta is equal to 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin theta is equal to cos theta only when theta is equal to 45 degree. That means the value is 1 by root 2. Both sin 45 is also 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So therefore what you can say? Therefore we can say statement is false. Remaining angles will not have the same value. The last of this kind, cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0. 0 degree. We'll check this. Cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. Therefore, I can say cot 0 degree is equal to cos 0 degree by sin 0 degree. Now, what is cos 0 degree? Cos 0 degree is 1. What is sin 0 degree? Sin 0 degree is 0. So, cot 0 degree I got 1 by 0. This is not defined. Why it is not defined? Because division is not defined by 0. Division is not defined by 0. Therefore, what you can say? When division is not defined by 0, when cot 0 is not defined, that means statement is true. Statement is true. Okay?